Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Mozilla Firefox browser is blocking a website and displaying the PR Connect Reset error, it means the connection was abruptly interrupted by your network, a proxy, or your firewall. I will show you exactly how to clear your browser data and reset your network connection to fix this right now. Let's get started. First, we need to delete any corrupted site data that might be causing the browser to miscommunicate with the server. Open Firefox, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu, and select Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security on the left side. Scroll down to the Cookies and Site Data section, and click the Clear Data button. Ensure both cookies and cached web content are checked. Then click Clear to refresh your browser's temporary files. Next, a misconfigured proxy server, or active VPN, is one of the most common causes of this specific interruption. Inside your Firefox settings, stay on the General tab and scroll all the way down to the Network Settings section. Click the Settings button, select the No Proxy option at the very top of the new window, and click OK. If you are currently running a third-party desktop VPN or strict antivirus web shield, please temporarily pause them to ensure they aren't actively blocking the connection. Finally, we will clear out any outdated network routing records directly within Windows to restore a clean connection. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and explicitly select Run as Administrator. In the terminal window, type ipconfig //flush DNS and press Enter to successfully clear the local cache. Immediately after, type net sh winsock reset and press Enter to reset your network adapters. Then restart your computer to apply the fix. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.